Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making Miss Patti Labelle's rainbow mac and cheese. Disclaimer: there are some cheeses I could not find, so I substituted some for some, and then I'm using the other ones as is. And some of the other ones were expensive, and I'm unemployed. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe as much as I did. You also try it out. I'm also gonna leave the recipe on my Facebook page and my Instagram page in January. So if you wanna go check it out, and I'm also gonna leave if you wanna check it out, I'm also gonna leave the link to the video down in the description box down below. And I'll also leave the way I did it. I'm gonna put the recipe of the way that I did it on my Facebook page as well, so that you can also follow it. So guys, let's get into it.
Perfect.
Okay guys, I'm just reviewing a recipe from Patti Labelle. So if you want to, you can follow along, and I'm also gonna leave the link down below for where I got the recipe. So first and foremost, put all the macaroni into a baking tray, put in all the cheeses and mix everything together. Add in the butter. Just a side note, reduce the amount of butter. Use about a teaspoon of butter, because when I used the butter that I used, it was a lot. It was too oily. Add in your 2 eggs. Mix everything again. Add in your seasoning. Then add your half milk, half cream mixture. Mix everything together. Pop into the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Yeah guys, I hope I did Miss Patti Labelle's recipe some honor, and guys, try it out yourself. I'm gonna leave the recipe on my Facebook page and my Instagram. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.